Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Ugly Dog Lures. Today we're going to do a simple shad pattern, 3 colors, 1.5 square bill. Anybody can do this paint. It's a simple paint and it's a fast paint. So I've already pre-mixed our silver, which we're going to use a metallic sterling silver, apple barrel gloss black, and a deco art iridescent green. So let's just jump on out here and make it happen. So our first color we're going to put on is going to be our silver. Let me cut that air pressure back a little bit, folks. We're going to go down just a little bit around the lateral line in this bait. Just a very simple paint, folks. We'll heat set this, jump in here, toss a little bit more on it. That looks pretty good. That's a change in colors on us pretty good there. So we'll clean our brush out while that's drying, heat set it, and then we'll go to our next color, which is going to be our gloss black. Okay folks, let's mix our little bit of black up. We don't need much black. We're just going to black him up his back, around his eyes, and just kind of let it fade down into that silver is what we're going to do. So we don't need a whole lot of black for that. Simple but effective, folks. Simple but effective pattern here. Looks like it's running to me. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's jump in here, and like I said, we don't need very much of the black. Start right here on the tail. Let's cut our pressure back a little bit more. A little black around those eyes. Like that right there. Make sure you got that nose good. That's pretty close on both sides. I think I'm going to just a little bit of fade down this side here. And I'm going to hit it just a little bit more down this side. Not very much. Okay, there's our black on our lure, folks. Simple, but a very effective little shad pattern. Anybody can paint it. So let's go back here and hit the back side of that black right there. So very simple paint. You don't have to worry if the black splatters a little bit down it, because that's the look of the fish anyway. So our next color we're going to go with, after we heat set this, is going to be this iridescent green. Here, we don't need a whole lot of that either. Get it thinned out. So when you're blowing this iridescent paint, you turn your pressure up high, folks. I've got it on about 40 pounds of pressure there right now. And And we don't need to blow a whole lot on it. I just want it to shimmer with a little green. That's all I want it to do, just like we got it right there. I think y'all can probably see that. I think you can see it very well now, how it changes that black and makes it shimmer a little bit with green. So that's all that. So we're going to heat set it, dry it up, put eyes on it, epoxy it, and call it beautiful. I think this bait's begging for silver eyes. I really do, folks. I just feel like he needs silver eyes on him. So let's jump into our bag of tricks down here.
Put a watermark on him.
Yeah. I was just going to say that before you so rudely interrupted me.
You were totally going to skip it.
We got our eyes out, folks, even though she's giving me a hard time. Now, folks, on this simple shad pattern, as far as your iridescent paint goes, you can use green, you can use blue, you can use purple, you can use whatever color that your little heart desires you to use. So, I prefer green. Well, let's get some eyes put on this bad boy. It's dark in here for some reason this afternoon, Melissa. Howdy, folks, we're back. We got our simple shad pattern all dried up and got it hooked up. It's going to be a color shift white, metallic silver, black, and a green dragonfly glaze, and that's what I did with this one, and that's the colors on this one. And I also did another one for y'all while I was waiting on this one to dry, and it's this one. This is another one of my shads that I do. This one's very pretty. It's color shift white, pewter, metallic silver, 1.5 square bill, and then I went over the bait with an iridescent blue and turned it that blue color. So folks, remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Tell all your friends. They need to jump on the redneck train too. So I appreciate you all. Y'all have a blessed evening, and I'll catch you later. Cut!